I'm about to show you the easiest way to make money online through affiliate marketing. This strategy is so easy that even a complete beginner could do it. All you need to get started is a working device and a solid internet connection. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's jump straight in. So today we're going to be using this tool called Script AI. So let me just start by asking you, have you ever tried writing a video script and felt like it was too hard? If you have, then Script AI might just be the solution you're looking for. It's a user-friendly tool that uses advanced algorithms to generate engaging scripts for your videos based on your specific needs and wants. What's really cool about Script AI is that it's super flexible and can be used for all kinds of videos. Whether you're creating a promotional video for your business, a how-to video for your YouTube channel, or a training video for your employees. And because it uses AI to generate the content, the scripts are always fresh and unique. All you need to do is give it some basic information about your video, like the topic, length, and tone, and Script AI takes care of the rest. I've personally used it for my own videos and have seen a huge increase in engagement and views. So if you're looking to create professional-looking videos without the hassle of script writing, I highly recommend giving Script AI a try. Now that you know how Script AI can help you create awesome video scripts, let's put it to the test. Step 1. Generate a video script. Now we're going to create an example video script using Script AI, so you can see for yourself just how easy and effective it is. So we'll need to come up with a catchy title and description. How about something like Top Tips for Being the Ultimate Dog Parent? It's definitely going to catch the attention of all those pup enthusiasts out there. And for the description, let's keep it simple and straightforward. Want to be the best dog parent ever? This video spills the beans on the top tips that will turn you into the ultimate dog guru, making sure your furry friend leads the happiest and healthiest life. Now that we have a catchy title and description, it's time to let Script AI do its thing. We'll put our title and description into the tool, and within seconds, it generates a script that's perfect to use. Let's take a look at what a Script AI-generated script might look like for our video example. Title: Top Tips for Being the Ultimate Dog Parent. Hook: calling all dog lovers, ready to take your furry friend's happiness and well-being to the next level? Engagement: buckle up because we've got the top tips that will transform you into the ultimate dog parent, earning you countless tail wags and slobbery kisses. Points: introduce the joys and responsibilities of being a dog parent. Share the top tips for providing excellent care and creating a loving environment for your pup. Highlight the benefits and rewards of a strong bond with your four-legged companion. Motivate viewers to put these tips into action and become the ultimate dog parent today. Just like that, we have a complete script for our dog care video. It's designed to keep viewers engaged from start to finish, with a hook to grab their attention, interesting points to keep them interested, and a call to action to encourage them to start their own dog care routine. With Script AI, creating a professional-looking video script has never been easier. Step 2. Start a TikTok page. Okay, so creating a TikTok page for a specific niche is a great way to start your money-making journey. In today's video, we're going to be sticking with the dog care niche, so we'll share some dog care tips with the world and connect with others who want the best for their dogs too. And with the help of Script AI, we can create engaging video scripts that will help grow our following and monetize our content in no time. To get started, first, create a TikTok account and choose a username that reflects the dog care niche. Then, using Script AI, create a series of short but engaging video scripts that share your best dog care tips and tricks, show your favorite dog care accessories, and highlight the benefits of dog care. Make sure to use relevant hashtags and add captions to your videos so that they're easily searchable and accessible to viewers. As you post your videos, engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging them to share your content with their own followers. This will help you build a loyal following of pet enthusiasts who appreciate your expertise and enjoy watching your videos. Over time, as your following grows, you might be able to monetize your content by partnering with brands and selling dog care products. But remember, the key to success on TikTok is consistency and authenticity. So keep posting quality content that showcases your love of dogs and your unique personality, and your followers will continue to grow. Step 3. Reach out to other content creators. Reaching out to other content creators in your niche and offering your script writing services is a great way to grow your business and establish yourself as an expert in your field. And with the help of Script AI, you can offer high-quality, engaging scripts that are tailored to your client's specific needs and preferences. To get started, find other content creators in your niche who you like and who might benefit from your services. For example, you can just search dog care in TikTok and a bunch of different creators will come up. Then reach out to them via email or social media and introduce yourself, highlighting your experience in script writing and your passion for their niche. Offer to create a sample script for them so you can show them your engaging high-quality scripts that can easily connect with their audience. Also, make sure to tailor your script to their specific niche to show that you understand their brand and target audience. If they're interested in working with you, discuss your rates and timeline, and be clear about what they can expect from your services. Give examples of other scripts you've written for clients in their niche, and be willing to collaborate with them on revisions and feedback to make sure that the final product is exactly what they're looking for. By offering your script writing services to other content creators in your niche, you'll not only establish yourself as an expert in your field, but you'll also have the opportunity to collaborate with others and grow your business in exciting new ways. Here's an example email that you could send to another TikTok creator offering your script writing services. Subject: Collaboration Opportunity, Script Writing Services. Hello, creator name. I hope this email finds you well. I've been following your TikTok account for a while now, and I'm impressed with the content you're creating. As a fellow creator in the X niche, I understand the importance of engaging and captivating content. I'm reaching out today to offer my services as a scriptwriter. I can create engaging and unique scripts that can help take your content to the next level. With my help, you can focus on creating amazing videos while leaving the script writing to me. If you're interested in collaborating, I'd be happy to provide a sample script for you to review. I believe that we can work together to create some amazing content that will attract new followers and increase engagement. Thank you for taking the time to read my email. I look forward to hearing back from you and hopefully working together soon. Best regards, your name. Step 4. Fulfill your orders with Script AI. Once you start getting orders for your script writing services, Script AI can be a game changer for fulfilling those orders efficiently. First, you need to get all the necessary information from your client, such as the video topic, tone, and length. Once you have that information, simply put it into the Script AI tool, and within seconds, it'll generate a script that's perfect for your client. Once the script is generated, you can make any necessary changes to make sure it's the best fit for your client's needs. Then you can simply send it over to them for approval. If they need any further edits, you can quickly make those adjustments using Script AI and resend the revised script. Using Script AI to generate your scripts can save you a lot of time and effort, which means you can take on more orders and grow your business as big as you want. And that's it. If you like this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more ways to make money online. See you all next time.